Macroformica Industries. Engineering nature.
This state-of-the-art facility relies on both automation and the expertise of our diverse team.
In the cutting hall, diamond wire saws prepare to slice the ingot.
Thinner than a human hair, the wire slices wafers with micron precision.
Robotic hands transfer the raw wafers for cleaning. A chemical bath removes the saw damage.
Texturing increases surface area to trap more sunlight.
Dried and textured, they are ready for the diffusion furnace. Inside the furnace, phosphorus is diffused into the silicon. This creates the PN junction, the heart of the solar cell.
Precise thermal control is critical.
An anti-reflective coating gives them their signature blue hue. Now, they can absorb maximum photon energy.
The cells need silver conductors to transport electricity.
Screen printing applies the front contact grid.
Microfine silver lines are laid down with absolute accuracy.
The back is coated in aluminum to complete the circuit. The printed cells enter the sintering furnace. High heat fuses the metal to the silicon. The cells are now functional and ready for testing. Optical scanners check for the slightest defect. Imperfections are instantly rejected. Cells are sorted by power output for uniform modules. Welcome to the module assembly line. Here, cells are soldered together into strings. Copper ribbons are soldered to the silver bus bars. This connects the cells in series to build voltage. Tiny loops allow for thermal expansion. A completed string emerges. Robots handle the fragile strings with care. Speed and precision are synchronized. Constant monitoring ensures alignment is perfect.
Backlighting reveals hidden cracks.
Every solder joint is verified.
The strings accumulate, ready for layup. The module begins with high transmission glass. The glass must be clinically clean. A layer of EVA encapsulant is laid down.
This will melt to seal the cells.
The cell strings are arranged in a matrix.
Placement accuracy is measured in millimeters.
Cross connectors link the strings together. The electrical circuit is completed. Insulation protects critical joints. A top layer of encapsulant seals the sandwich. Finally, the weatherproof backsheet. The stack is ready for lamination. Before lamination, we check for hidden defects.
Electroluminescence acts like an X-ray.
Defects are flagged for repair. The assembly enters the buffer zone.
The laminator is the kiln of the solar factory.
Under vacuum and heat, the layers will fuse. The EVA melts, becoming crystal clear.
Atmospheric pressure does the work.
The module emerges, cured and solid.
Excess material must be trimmed.
Blades trim the edges flush to the glass. A perfect edge is vital for framing.
The panels must cool down before framing.
Thermal scanners monitor the cooling rate. Flipped for assembly. Aluminum frames provide structural strength. Silicone sealant ensures a waterproof bond. The frame is pressed on with high force. Corner keys lock the frame tight.
Excess sealant is wiped away. The junction box houses the output cables.
It is mounted directly over the busbar leads. The connections are soldered for life. Potting resin seals the electronics from moisture. Sealed and safe. The adhesives need time to cure. Each panel gets a unique identity. Thousands of panels, identical, yet unique. The flash test simulates the midday sun. A burst of artificial sunlight measures power output. The computer calculates efficiency instantly.
High voltage tests ensure insulation safety.
One final X-ray to check for assembly damage. Perfect crystal structure. No cracks.
A final human inspection for cosmetic perfection.
Ready for the world.
Robots sort the panels by wattage. Stacking for shipment. Strapped secure for the ocean voyage. Off to the warehouse. Megawatts of power waiting to be deployed. From the factory floor to the global grid. Crossing oceans to power homes.
Destination: the solar farm.
Connecting the circuit.
Harvesting the power of a star. Silent, clean, renewable energy. The cycle is complete.
Critical overload imminent. Press the emergency stop to prevent catastrophe.